Okay,
Morning,
probably
everyone.
we can get started, right?
Yes, please do.
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. It's Jianying Peng from Nuclei, a China mainland RISC-V IP vendor. It's so glad to be here. You know, it's our first time to be RISC-V Summit in North America. And it's very pleased to visit Silicon Valley again after the pandemic, I think. So today I'm going to share with you guys about the topic ASIL certificate RISC-V core accessories automotive SoC design, and share a little bit of experience of our product NA900 get the first ISO 262 ASIL-D certificate. As we all know, ISO 262 derived from 61508 and was first introduced in 2011. And a lot of semiconductor-related contents added in the 2018 version, especially most of the majority content are related to the part 11. This is the typical V model of the ISO 262 framework. The big V, I think, related to the system level and hardware level and the software level, and these two small V models are really more for us, especially for the small V on the left side is most on the hardware. And so the part 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11 are the majority parts related to SoC design and IP design. I think a little bit portion of the part 6 related to us because the STL, the soft test library, is required for the ASIL-B solution, so it's related to the software level. As we all know, the ISO 262 standard is kind of a general standard for the all the automotive participations, including OEM, Tier 1, IC design, and IP design. From the Part 5, Clause 8, we know the SPFM and LFM are the two important quantitative metrics or the number to define the level ISO levels from A to D. The D is the most strict level. For SPFM, we need to at the minimum 99%, and for LFM at the minimum 90%. As ISO 262 are open to the markets for many years, but it is still very confused for the different certificates and for different, doing by different agencies. Usually they have three typical certificates. The easy one, or maybe the most easy one, is the ready certificate. For the ready certificate, just doing the Part 5, Clause 8, just do the F-media report and the safety manual assessment. And this certificate can be only done by SGS right now. And the second one is the process certificate. For this certificate, only check the development process complying to the ISO 262. Just check the systematic part. So usually only the development manuals, templates, and kind of documentations and related to the development process will be assisted by the agency. And the most complicated one and also time-consuming is the product certificate. Here, for the ASIL-D product certificate, it covers the systematic capability and also the hardware safety integrity. It covers all the parts related to hardware, so covering the standard Part 2, 4, 5, and 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I think usually it takes about 1.5 years or 2 years to get the product certificate. Due to the complicated rules for systematic and also exhaustion process. So usually, or in a conclusion, we got a product get the ISO 262 certificate. Three aspects are highlighted or required. The first one is the procedural management. All the requirements and also all the internal development documentations are required to be traceable or recordable during the whole life cycle. And the second one is the verification strategy. Generally we just do function verification, but for automotive we need to do fault verification, systematic fault verification, and also random fault verification. We need to use new tools or methodology to do the inject fault verification. Yeah, I think the third one is the safety documentation. Usually at least safety manual, FMDA report, kind of documentation should be included. Usually all those content are the general function safety delivery package for the IP vendor or for the SoC vendor to deliver to the tier 1 or OEM. So for us, we offer a comprehensive function safety solution. We provide the certificated course to accelerate our customers' SoC design and the certificate. If the consulting on the core part or even the on-site audit for our customer, we can help. That can reduce significantly for their certificate efforts and the period. Also, all of our IPs have flexible configurability, can give more choice for the different applications or SoCs. And last of all, and also is the most important, all the IPs are compatible with the full RISC-V standards and the extensions. I think this long term, we need constant ecosystem for us, even for automotive. I think I talked a little bit more about the standard and also the function safety. Many of you guys are not familiar with Nuclei, our company. Yeah, our company is kind of startup, founded in 2018. We have around 120 people. The headquarters is based in Shanghai, and we have designed a full RISC-V CPU IP portfolio from scratch, covering deep embedded to high performance security and our automotive stuff. The key team of Nuclei, we have a lot of CPU implementation experience, including ARM, MIPS, ARC, etc. Yeah, up to today, I think within 5 years, we have more than 220 licenses. Those logos, probably most of them are domestic in China. Probably China Mobile, Giga Device, M-Logic, maybe a little bit familiar with you guys. Yeah, I think all of them, I think in China, a lot of interest in the market of the customer for RISC-V. So our customers covers 5G communication, automotive industrial, IoT communication, networking, storage, a lot of segments. Yeah, right now, here are our IP portfolio. We have 4 general product lines and 2 vertical product lines. So for N class and the U class, these 2 are 32-bit architecture, and for U class supports SV32, so it can run Linux applications. For NX and the UX classes, they are 64-bit architecture, and for UX class supports SV39 and 48. For the 2 vertical product lines, NS stands for security, and NA class stands for automotive, today's topic. Yeah, according to the microarchitecture or pipeline, we divide to 5 series. For 200 and 300, those are embedded cores, 2-stage pipeline or 3-stage pipeline. For 300 series, 3-stage pipeline, but we also support single precision and double precision for FPU and also DSP extensions. For 600 series is the middle level or the entry level of our application processor. And the most popular series is our 900 series. It's a 9-stage pipeline with both single issue and dual issue implementations. Also, we support SMP multi-core with cache coherency and up to 16 cores in one cluster. So for the bare metal and the real-time, N and NX 900 is kind of level as ARM Cortex-M7, M55, R8, R82. For the UX 900, it's an alternative of ARM Cortex-A55, 53. Yeah. So for the highest series is our 1000. This is our first out-of-order core. We will have 3, 4, and 6 different decoder-wise with different options. Yeah, that will be available next Q1. So back to today's automotive topic, NA900, it's the first ASIL-D certificated RISC-V IP, I think, in the world. We worked with ASIL-D and kicked it off in 2021. Yeah, it spans kind of 18 months to get the certificate done. And if you are interested, you can access ASIL-D's web page to download the certificate and to access the whole assessment report. Due to time consideration, we worked with SGS to get the ASIL-D ready certificate for the NA300. Yeah, look at these two products. They have kind of similar safety mechanism, both ASIL-B and ASIL-D solutions, both dual core lockstep and also dual core lockstep with split mode supported. But for the ISA side, the NA300, besides IMAC FDP, also we support the DC for code size contaction, and also the differences of pipeline stage and also the bus interface. 900 is XI support and 300 is HB support. So basically, NA900 is applicable for the safety island, for the real-time applications. We have a lot of usage to compete with ARM Cortex-R5, R52. Yeah, for the NA300, it's majorly focused on the automotive MCU segment. So generally, for the ASIL-B solution or the ASIL-B requirements, we provide STL on the software side, and then that's the software test library. It depends on the customer. They run the STL just during the boot period or during the whole life cycle. And on the hardware side, we implement the SRAM ECC and the key register parity protection. Yeah, for ASIL-D, the major safety mechanism is dual core lockstep. Yeah, besides that, we also implement the I/O parity protection and the SRAM ECC. So I will also quickly go through, how we adapted ISO 262 in Nuclei's implementation or our development process. Yeah, for systematic fault, we have more than 2,000 requirement items and also achieve 100% required coverage. We strictly follow ISO 262 compliant development process, and also we have independent failure analysis on the unit level and have implemented a lot of verification points. That's why we have achieved 100% failure test port covered and also general 100% function coverage and code coverage. On the random hardware fault side, including permanent and transient, so India and function verification, fault verification stuff, we achieve 99 diagnostic coverage claimed on the dual core lockstep side, and also we achieved 97 to 99% coverage on the SRAM ECC side. Yeah, this is the customized way model for processor IP design. I think majorly the chapter or the part 5 applicable. We adapt the process from concept to architecture, microarchitecture, and then release phases. To make sure all the requirement and documentations can be traceable, we have used JAMA to manage that. This is our example or the partial of the function safety package, including the FMEDIA report. Actually, we have done the FMEDIA report on the very detailed modules, all the very details. And for the safety manual, we include the SoC and the safety architecture and also integration for SoC. One comment here. Yeah, we use the ZOIX to do the fault injection verification. It can help us to do easily to do the fault locations and also make observation points and the diagnostic points. It can also automatically collect the coverage. Yeah, I think a quick summary, ASIL-B and ASIL-D solutions are both for us to support and reach configurations of IPs, and also we provide the whole function safety package. Yeah, here are our two typical customer cases. One is the ASIL-D required engine ECU. The other one is the ASIL-B required LiDAR application. Yeah, one is use our dual core step NA900, and the other one is use the quad core of NA900 with ASIL-B application implementation. Yeah, along to IP, we also have provided the whole software development platform. Yeah, it's quite leverage with the open source, but the open source tool chain is quite difficult to get the certificate. That's why we're partnering with IR. They have the certified IR embedded workbench for RISC-V. Yeah, I think we are looking forward to the growth in automotive. That's why Nuclei will continuously drive our offers to develop more function safety products. Right now, we have the ASIL-D certificate, and we are working on the ASIL-B certificate. And later, we will work on the function safety bus. And the next year, in 2012-5, we are going to have our NA1000 series for the ADAS. So I think that's all. If you guys are interested, please come to our booth S4. Thank you.